Welcome students, hopes you will be fine. Now we will revise the next topic, that is invertebrates. First of all, what are invertebrates? Invertebrates animals do not have backbone. Any animal without backbone is known as invertebrates. Like vertebrates, invertebrates also further divided into different classes and groups according to their body structure. Here some special features or body structures of invertebrates are listed here. The first one is maybe presence of 3 or more pair of legs. Some invertebrates do not have legs. Some invertebrates have antennae or some have tentacles. And some invertebrates' body are soft, but some have hard shell or bodies. For example, if we talk about insects, insects have 3 pairs of legs, while spider and crabs have more than 3 pairs of legs. For example, spiders have 4 pairs of legs. That's why spider is not considered as insect. Insects have 3 pairs of legs. If we talk about worms, worms do not have legs. Mollusks and slugs also do not have legs. Molluscus, for example, if we talk about, is a molluscus, and octopus has no legs. The next body feature or organ is the presence or absence of antennae or tentacles. Antennae or tentacles are absent in some animals, while some animals like insects have antennae and sea anemones have tentacles. Tentacles basically are flexible, mobile and elongated body organs. What is the basic difference between antennae or tentacles? Tentacles are usually arm to an animal, while antennae are not usually equal to legs or arms. This is the basic difference between antennae or tentacles. Some animals have soft body like jellyfish, and some have hard bodies like snail, and they protect their soft bodies also with the help of exoskeleton. According to these body structures, the invertebrates are divided into worms and insects. There are more invertebrates than vertebrates on the earth. Invertebrates do not have backbone. Invertebrates are divided according to the structural features of their bodies. Some invertebrates have 3 or more pairs of legs, insect, spider, crab, while others do not have any legs, for example worms, molluscus, slug. Some invertebrates have antennae. For example, insects have antennae or tentacles are present in sea anemone, while others do not, for example, starfish. Some invertebrates have soft bodies like jellyfish, while others have hard shell like snail or exoskeleton, ladybird, or protect their soft bodies. Now we will discuss first worms. Worms are of different type. Their bodies are long, rounded, soft, and worms do not have any leg or arms. Some worms are very small as compared to other. Some worms cause infection. For example, if we talk about Ascaris, Ascaris live in the abdomen of the human, and it means some worms are parasite. Worms are also have different habitat. Some live in the water, some live in the sea or fresh water, while some live on land or burrow underground. For example, earthworm. Earthworm burrow underground, and earthworms also aerate the soil, means bring air between the particles of the soil and enrich the soil with their waste product. There are many different worms. Worms have a long tube-like body and no arms or legs. Some worms are microscopically small, while others can grow much longer. Some can cause infection. Some are parasite and live in the bodies of other animals like Ascaris. Worms live in various habitats. Some live in water, in the sea or in fresh water, while others live on land or burrow underground. Some worms such as earthworms are useful. They live in the soil and help to enrich it. They also aerate, bring air into the soil. Now we will discuss the did you know? Which is the longest worm in the world? The longest worm in the world is bootless worm. Some members of bootless worms are up to 55 meters long, and their mucus is highly poisonous. One of the longest known animals is the bootless worm. There have been reports of finding specimens, means members of bootless worm, up to 55 meters long. The bootless worm's mucus is highly toxic, means poisonous. Next question, which are the smallest worms in the world? The smallest worms in the world are nematodes. If we take 20 to 30 nematodes and laying them end to end, means join them end to end, then their thickness will be equal to a thickness of one coin. The world's smallest worms are called nematodes. Nematodes also known as roundworms. 20 to 30 of them laying end to end would be needed to equal the thickness of one small coin. Now we will discuss the exercise question. Number 3, part 3, 4, 5. Part 3, name 5 invertebrates that could be living in a garden. Name 3 invertebrates that live in the sea. Name 3 invertebrates that have more than 3 pairs of legs. And the answer is that slug, woodlice, centipede, millipede and ladybird. These are the invertebrates that could be living in a garden. Jellyfish, starfish and sea urchin. These are the invertebrates that live in the sea. Crabs, spiders and prawns. These are the invertebrates that have more than 3 pairs of legs. Okay student, this is all about the invertebrates. Hope you will understand. Thank you for listening.